friends, today we're going to show you how to protect your dashboards from the sun's rays to prevent any cracking, fading, and bring it out and give it a shine. Alright friends, the first thing you need to do is wipe it down. You can use a rag with some water or use any disinfectant wipes. I like to use a disinfectant wipe because of all the things we touch in and around the car. I like to use this. I'll show you how. Alright friends, we're going to clean everything with disinfectant wipes. Especially when you're touching everything. Let's clean it up. You can also use a rag with water if you're afraid of discoloration. But I just like to keep things clean. This will help take away all the debris. Alright guys, once that is done, let it dry. Alright friends, so the next thing you need to do is pick your solution agent or product. I like to use Armor All. It gives it a good shine, or I like to use Meguiar's. It gives it a really good coating and gives it an extra shine. I'll show you how. Alright friends, I just want to do a close-up view of the product. This is called Armor All Original Protectant Wipes. And the second one is Meguiar's. It gives it an extra shine and gives it a good layer of protection. Alright guys, so once everything's dry, we're going to use your product. I'm going to use Meguiar's and we're going to put it on the cloth and we're going to bring out the shine and give it a protective layer. Now take a look at that. Gives it a protective layer and a shine. Hey friends, so that's how you protect and give your dashboard a good shine. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.